this video, I'm going to be fixing my subscribers' beats. So let's get into it. First, Joel sent in this idea. It's an old lo-fi beat. So let's listen to the demo and see what you can work with. It's a decent beat. We can fix up the drums, give it a proper arrangement, and change, I think, the chord progression in the starting. First, let's change the chord progression. I'm not a big fan of the sound, so instead I'm going to use like Lounge Lizard and replace the sound with the same melody and do a few changes to the melody too. First, we are going to just reduce the velocity over here. Yeah, much better. And at the end, I think going to change the chord progression. Yeah, just a few changes. Can add some ambience. We'll be using our pack Euphoria. Yep, this is nice. The bass is a bit too loud. I'm just going to EQ. Just do some basic mixing. Now for the drums. We're side chaining the kick to the bass. I think it's better that we layer a piano on top. For the intro, just add some reverb. You can just sidechain the kick to the piano too. Not a big fan of the hi-hats. Yep, this is nice. Yep, let's mute this then. And I think I'll just like add a sidechain into this. We can use a different snare, like a jazzier one. Yep, this is perfect. Just add the snare on the 2 on the 4. And to fill up the space, we're gonna add like a pad or something from decent sampler. I like the basic backdrops; they're pretty great. Uh, we just follow the step down here and duplicate. Yep. And just changing the Pluck Melody. Let me just find it like a one shot. Perfect. Just like messing with the velocity, just like final touches. And I think we're done. I think we're done. It came out Pretty good. Let's have a listen. This beat has a lot of potential, and I'll be sending it to Joel for a collab, possibly. And let's see how it goes. Up next, the next beat. But before that, if you want me to fix your beats, just click the link below and fill the Google form to send your beats over. And don't forget to include the stems as well as the MIDI files for it. Up next, this beat is sent in by Billy. So let's check it out. Okay, this is an interesting one. It needs a lot of melodies and drums. So let's get to work. First, I'm going to use the chords that Billy had sent me in the project for the project and try to make something out of it. I think the key is in B major. That's what I hear. So, so let's do some. I'm tempted to shift everything to a semitone up to C major. Wait. Let me just pause you for a second right here. After I started messing with this idea in the key of C major, I realized that nothing was working. I was trying different melodies, different ideas, different sound samples, and nothing was working. So instead, I started working on the sample and I came up with this. Okay, so it's been a while and I've been working on this beat. I'm not sure about what I've done. I rendered every track to one sample and then I applied like of two instances of Portal using some presets. I tweaked these presets and then started trying some drums. This is like one of the hardest samples that I've worked with, and I don't think I could have gotten a better result than this. I just drag and drop a drum loop from our kit. If you want to check out our kits, you can just click the link below. And don't forget to use code Dark Winter for 15% off. In the end, I just added some effects on the drum loop, and this is what the final sample sounds like. So, yeah, that's it for the video. If you want to submit your beats for me to work on, just fill the form that's in the description. And also, don't forget to include the stems and MIDI files along with it. I'm Dark Winter, and I'll talk to you soon.